I'll make a video, maybe. An image.
Yeah, he's gonna grab it too.
Hello, everyone! You got me. Hi! So these are my painting collections. I displayed it in the stairs so I can see them. See? Just wanted to show you that they're on display. My gallery of paintings. Let's go ahead. Let's have a room tour for my creative studio. And Lucas is already there. Come follow me. Come follow me. So it's exciting. Are you ready? Here we go. Lucas, give me that pen. So we're here in the creative studio. I really tried to make it friendly so Lucas can play with it. He has the toys in there. And this wall shelves here is courtesy from my husband, Esben. He is very supportive and he made this one. He attached it himself, he drilled it. Lucas, I'm talking here. Okay. So displaying. Alright, I displayed all my painting tools so it's easy for me to grab them. And also, these are my paintings done. And I have here, as you can see, my May project. It's the sunset because I really love sunset. And these are my paintings, some of them are there. So this is just mainly our guest room. And this is where I do my makeup tutorial-ish. I have here my makeup I just done with the makeup. As you can see on my face. And I put everything, my makeup there. So I put it here. So my brushes. All my brushes are here, and there. And whenever I'm tired, I'll just hang out here. Right now, I'm very tired. This is our guest bed as well. Not that much happening in here, but as you can see, my setup is here as well. And I have here this is a guest room, or another room we have in here. This is the cabinet. I have I can show you a sneak peek of my clothes here. I do photo shoots before, pre-wedding photo shoots, so I provide an outfit for them. I kept it here, and some of my clothes that I haven't wear yet is still there. And let's just have a 360 of the room. Esben is filming me just very quick. enjoy the creative studio room tour. This is where I do my creative stuff. Hi to the camera. Hi, wait. Bye bye. Bye bye, Lucas. Hope you enjoy, guys, my creative studio tour, and see you in my next one. Bye.